ride today. It's been a fantastic day of riding. Got to have some good times with some good folk. Nobody went down. Nobody went down. Yo. You all right?
I just didn't see you stopping and my front wheel fucking went out on me when I hit my...
You all right, dude?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Here, let's just...
Oh, he was stopping and I went to hit my brakes and my...
You just locked up?
Dude, goddamn Shinko will be the death of me.
Your tire slipped out from under you?
Yeah, my front tire just went straight out.
You,
Yeah, I'm fine.
we ride too, so
it starts up.
Yeah, sorry, man. It came down to 35 and there's a cop sitting over there.
Huh?
I said it came down to 35 and there's a cop sitting over there.
no, there's no cop in it.
You good, though?
Yeah, going to start for me. I got frame sliders, I should be good. Hey, I'm okay.
You get cut too bad?
No, I'm fine.
What's going on, man?
Hey, I'm okay. My front tire just washed out on me.
Okay. You need anything?
I'm okay.
Did you hit anything or anybody hit you?
No.
No, he was just trying to slow down.
We're just riders
He
too.
was slowing down and my front tire just washed out.
Okay. No problem. So you're good to go?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Yeah, I think he's all right. I think the bike is good, too. Thank you, sir.
I'm just going to look it over real quick, make sure it's good. But
Yeah, man. As long as your clutch is good, I think that's the main thing, because it hit right there.
I'm going to go on route one.
We've been riding all day, and then this... Oh, man.
My hand kind of hurts. Dude, that's the same spot I hit my knee last time.
Really?
It's literally not even healed up yet.
But, I mean, like, your leg and everything, it's like... It doesn't feel like you hurt anything more than that, right? All right, let's go.
You probably didn't do this, but people ruin it for everybody. We have people on these sport bikes, and they put those tags way up there where they can't read them, right? Then what they do is when they run, you can't get it, but you say, no, I got a tag on there. Okay? See my problem?
Yeah, I see what you're saying, man.
That's clearly illegal.
When I bought this bike, that's just where it was. So
Sir, listen to me for a minute. Please do me a favor. Will you? Okay. Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. You're responsible for this bike. Is that your tag or the tag that was on it?
it's the tag. I haven't got the tag yet.
Let me see your DL. You got a motorcycle endorsement?
Here's the title for it. I haven't signed it yet. And then there's
When did you buy it?
Literally yesterday.
Let me see your...
And I rode it back from Chelsea, Oklahoma. I haven't been able to go to the DMV yet.
Here's what we got to do. Pull the tag off right now because in Arkansas, are you an Arkansas resident? You can't run an out-of-state tag on that thing, man.
Okay, can I put my, before I go register it, can I put my old tag for my last bike on here? Okay.
Okay, so what we've got going on here right now is he was trying to slow down whenever we were coming into this town, because he came up behind me and he was trying to slow down a bit. And the front tire washed out, and he went down and messed his hand up a bit. I mean, just scratched it up and stuff. Didn't really sustain any injuries. You know, cop walked over. He's like, "You guys okay?" He's like, "Yeah, he's fine." We tried to head out of here, and he was like, "Actually, you know what? Shut it off." You know, I was trying to see if he was okay, so I was holding him up a little bit, but now he's over here harassing dude.
I just want you guys to understand, look, I got no problem with motorcycles. I got no problem with sport bikes, man. I think
Yes, sir.
great thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Enjoy yourselves.
Yes, sir.
You do you know? But what I don't like is when I feel like people are trying to hide this. See my problem?
Well, I mean, you saw.
Yours is fine. I'm not chewing on you,
Yeah.
man.
I think
don't see anything.
I do know of a few guys that have gotten things that police deem unable to see,
Yeah.
but they only got that because that was the only thing that was available for them to go from having the big, huge full fender. I think that's why some people do it, but I completely understand what you're saying, and I really appreciate you stopping and coming over here and talking to him. I was scared that he hurt himself really bad, to be honest.
He did. I think he did hurt himself. Look at his bike. Look at his shoulder. His pants are ripped.
Yeah, I mean, I turned around and looked, and like he said,
Friends?
through riding, I don't even really know his first name, to be honest.
Fine, man.
I ride with all kinds of different
fine.
people.
I went and looked at your tag. I was
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
you're good, man. Your
Yeah.
stuff is fine. I didn't
Yeah.
have to see your ID.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
I got no reason to check anything. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, no, I understand.
This is a problem.
It is your job. You're doing your due diligence.
Yeah.
I completely understand.
And also,
I'm just-
to be honest with you,
Yeah.
he kind of laid it over in kind of a newbie kind of thing right there, and that's why I wanted to see if you had a permit with him.
Got him! Got him!
To be able to
Oh man, I've come close to doing that after riding for a while too.
I'm
But I
saying,
mean,
you understand? I got
yeah.
a lot of people, especially on Highway 12.
Yeah.
No motorcycle license at all.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. They're riding bikes. They got no license. They got no class. They got no nothing.
I mean, that's what you get paid to do. I understand, man. I do.
Okay, look. Are you okay? Are you sure?
Dude, I'm fine.
Well, okay, listen. Look, your friend right here, I'm going to show him, and then I'll tell you I'm okay. And then you say, this is knocked up. This is knocked up pretty good. You got it here. You got it here. You got it there. You got it there. You got it there. I'm going to let you leave if you tell me you're okay. I'm going to let you leave, okay? You got to be careful, okay? Are we good on this? You understand?
Yeah.
You got 30 days. So if you go home and you sign that, you got 30 days before you got to have a license. But that unsigned with this, not your bike, big old problem. Okay. That's
Okay.
called fictitious tax.
Gotcha.
Okay. You guys good to go?
Yeah, man. Thank you.
This in that dumpster?
Appreciate it.
Not my dumpster, partner. You do that.
Hey, man, I got your frame slider. I don't know if it's gonna go back
My
on.
frame slider didn't do shit. It fucking broke straight off.
Busted straight off, dude.
Get me fucking squashed.
I didn't get you eating it, dude, because I was
I
only.
don't know what the fuck happened. I was just looking this way, and then I looked back, and you were slowing down, and I
Yeah,
hit my brake.
shit happens in an instant, man.
People warned me about that fucking Shinko tire.
People did about that exact thing happen, and you've got a lot of meat on there too.
It's a brand new fucking tire.
That's crazy.
Dude, I hit my brakes and it washed.
It's hella soft too.
It
Huh.
completely washed out as soon as I hit my brakes.
Man. Hey, at least you didn't really break the fairings and stuff. Like, you might be able to sand that down and get it painted. Do you want this, or are you just gonna toss this shit?
I don't have a hole in the tank. Well, I don't know.
Oh yeah, dude.
Without him coming over and-
You got close.
Huh?
You got close to having a hole in your tank.
Yeah. Frame slider didn't do fucking jack. Thank
Want
you.
that?
Thank you for stopping too.
Oh, for sure. And let's go ahead and do a little handshake there. Shit, dude.
I'm just cursed if I ever come on a group ride like this.
Shit happens. You know, it sucks that this was at the very end whenever we're just kind of
Dude,
chilling.
I've been ripping all day.
Yeah.
I'm on a straight stretch.
Yep.
My fucking tire, it was immediate, dude.
Yeah.
As soon as I touched my brake, it washed out.
Yep.
Oh, my hands do kind of hurt. Dude. Fuck.
How far do you got to go?
Huh?
You're in Fayetteville? Yeah, you got a little ways. Okay, I'll follow you until we get around Springdale, and then I'll I'll bounce out there. Just make sure everything with the bike's okay and everything. Yeah, man. Get your kickstand up. Oh, shit. Sumo over there. That sucks, dude. It really sucks. Shit happens, though. And it happens in an instant. Poor guy. He wanted to get going before that happened with the whole plate thing. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. And then he looked at the tag for a little bit longer and he was like, actually go ahead and shut the bike off. I'm gonna preach to you a little bit here.